Hello everyone! Welcome to Marlene's Delightful Dishes. I'm Marlene, and today we're going to dive into the world of homemade treats. Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth as we embark on a journey to make the perfect Ladyfingers. Start by putting 4 egg whites in a bowl, add 50 grams of sugar. And whisk it together. Add a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Whisk until peaks form and the mixture is stiff. Add the yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 50 grams of sugar, and mix until very lightly colored. Mix about 3 or 4 tablespoons of the egg whites into the egg mixture and mix thoroughly. Keep on adding the whites gradually until it is finished. Add a 130 grams of plain flour into the egg mixture and fold in. Put the mixture in a piping bag, and on a baking tray lined with wax paper, squeeze out your shapes. Dust with icing sugar and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. There you have a delicious snack that is very easy to make. Please subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. We have a lot more tasty recipes on the way.